Level 5, Unit 16, addition or subtraction of two-digit numbers. In Unit 16.1, we're adding two-digit numbers using 50 to 90. Example A, 90 minus some number, 90 plus some number equals 164. So if we look at the ones column, what number would you have to add to get an answer of 4? You'd have to add a 4. If we look in the tens column, what number would you have to add to 9 to get you 16? That would be a 7. So 74 is our missing number. Let's look at 16.2, where we're subtracting two-digit numbers from 25 to 95. Example A. In our ones column, we have 5 minus 5, which is 0. In our tens column, we have 9 minus 2, which is 7, for an answer of 70. Let's look at example B. We have a missing number that we need to figure out. Now we know you can't take a number minus 9 and get an 8. But if we work backwards here, we know that 8 plus 9 is 17. Well, the 7 would fill in the box, and that 1 is coming from, you would have to end up borrowing from the 7. So our missing number is 7. Unit 16.3. Subtract two-digit numbers from 27 to 92. Example A. In our ones column, we have 9 minus 7, which is 2. In our tens column, we have 5 minus 4, which is 1, for an answer of 12. Let's look at example B. We have a missing number that we need to fill in. Now if we look, 3 minus a number, there's not a number we can subtract from 3 that would give us 4, not a single digit number. Which means that we probably had to borrow over here. But if you also notice in the tens answer, it's a 0. Which means that 7 needed to be a 6 in order for 6 minus 6 to be a 0. So this ends up being 13. So now 13 minus what number equals 4? That would be the 6 to 10 plus the 3 would be 9 as your missing number. Unit 16.4. Add or subtract two-digit numbers, part 1. Example A. 50 minus 36. We start in the ones column. You cannot subtract 6 from 0. So we have to borrow from our 5, make it a 4. Take that, borrow 10, make the 0 a 10. 10 minus 6 is now 4. 4 minus 3 is now 1 for an answer of 14. Let's look at example B. We have another missing number we need to fill in, and we're adding here. So let's start in the ones column. 5 plus 6 is 11. So that's where the 1 come from, and we'd have to carry a 1. Now in our tens column, we have 5 already, but our answer is 14. So 5 plus what equals 14? Our missing number is 9. Let's look at 16.5. Add or subtract two-digit numbers, part 2. Let's look at example A. We have a subtraction problem here. So we're going to start off in the ones position. You cannot subtract 6 from 5. So at some point we had to borrow over here from this number, the missing number. So if we look at what we already have, our answer was 4. We've already subtracted 3. Well, that tells us that 7 minus 3 equals 4. But that's a borrowed number. So our original number was 8.